Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's JJ right here. I got my friend Delano. Say something.
We're doing a
Dominic,
fidget.
stop kicking the ball. Yeah, so guys, we have
glue.
yeah. Okay, open up the door, man. Okay guys, so these are our fidget spinners. We got a bunch. And we're gonna see how much minutes it's gonna take for us to spin these. We just did it and it was like 3 minutes, but although it stopped, so I was wondering if we could just like post it on video. So here we go. So we're each gonna take a fidget spinner. I'm gonna take the green one. Dominic, you'll take the black. Yeah. Okay guys, so we got the timer there and we're gonna start it. I need space, man. Yeah, that's Dominic. Okay, we're gonna start it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay, guys, so it's spinning. Oh my god. Can we beat the record? Maybe. Guys, we're in our uniform. She like just came from school. So yeah. Dominic, why did you come out of the video? Okay guys, so yeah. Dominic, you keep coming out of the video. What are you doing? Okay guys, so yeah. Oh crap. Oh, I just hurt my foot. Okay guys, I hurt my foot. But the fidget spinner is still spinning. Why didn't I know? Why are you laughing? It's not a joke.
You hit your foot.
Okay guys, it's 1 minute now. It's 1 minute. I'm gonna show you the camera. Oh, guys, there it is. Move your hand. 1 minute. Still spinning. Still spinning. Oh, I mean, like, if you
It's gonna take a century to the finish now.
nah. If you like do 5 minutes, oh my god. Dominic, you need to go for it. They can't see mine. Why are you laughing? Okay guys, so it's 1 minute and 35 seconds now on the clock. Oh my knee. Guys, why are you laughing? It's not damn it funny. Oh my god, okay guys, it's still spinning. Guys, I hurt my knee so bad as they're laughing. Okay guys.
Joy, you hit your knee hard, man.
Okay guys, so we're actually like I think we broke the record. Damn it. 2 minutes. Okay guys, so Delano's on just jumped. So you're out of the competition. You can go. So me and Dominic, come on Dominic, come in the camera. Me and Dominic are here. We're gonna see who's gonna win. It's 2 minutes. Oh Delano, you keep kicking me on my knee. Oh my god guys. He keeps kicking me on my knee. Oh my god. Look at me. You're just giving me jokes too. Okay, so it's 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. Guys, they're like giving me jokes because they want me to like drop the fidget spinner. I don't know why. Man, go over. Guys. Oh, guys, I'm sick and tired of this now. Okay, guys. Oh my god. Okay. So guys, I just wanted to tell you something. This is at 2 minutes now. Going to 3. Guys, what do you obviously think here? I'm so weird. Okay then. So why you bro, your face is like so much in the camera. Get out of the camera, man. Okay guys. So okay, yeah. Why did you kick me again? Oh my god. Let me see the timer. Let me see the timer. Okay guys, it's 3 minutes now. I don't know how is this like spinning so long. But yeah, you know, you don't know. It's JJ right here. If we can hit 10,000, get out of the camera. if we can get 10,000 likes on this video, I will be giving away one of these blue fidget spinners. Okay? This blue. There's some fake ones, but you don't worry. I'm gonna give you a blue. One blue, okay? So yeah, because we don't want to like give all of them. Oh guys, it's just gone 4 minutes. No. If this goes to 5 minutes. Okay.
Stop!
Stop!
Crap! That is the winner.
So guys, Dominic is the winner. And yeah.
It's 4 minutes and
4 minutes and 22 seconds and 80. No, guys, I just messed it up.
4 hours.
4 minutes.
4 hours. Bro, only 4 hours.
Guys, listen to me. I am good at mathematics.
Let's say 4 hours.
Can you please stop the talking? Okay, guys. So this is 4 hours, 22 minutes, and 82 seconds. Okay, guys. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, oh, guys, are we done yet? I think we should do some stacking. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we're gonna do some stacking now. So yeah, let's go. Come on. Okay. So Delana, you're gonna be holding the camera. Come on, hold the camera. Because they can't see me. Because remember, it's a tablet. Okay, just bring it down a little bit. Yeah. Wait. Go back. Go back. Okay, there. So guys, I got all of these fidget. Oh my god, bro. Like, bro. Okay, guys. I'm gonna set the fidget spinners, and then when I'm finished, I will just like show you. So yeah, I'm gonna just start them. Bro, bring the camera down. They can't see me. Man. Okay, so yeah.
A fidget spinner. A fidget spinner.
Okay, guys. So we just got the fidget spinner delivered. Okay. Okay, guys. So here's the blue one. Yeah. So, guys, I'm almost finished.
Guys, I was at the shop.
Bro, just come under the camera, man. Okay. Guys, we're almost done. I'm like shifting right now.
Jabari, you should spin them first before you cut.
Bro, can't you like shut up? Man, yo. Okay.
Danik.
Okay, guys, give me the camera. Okay, you cannot do it good. Okay, guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, man.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Ow!
Get out the way, man. Just get out of my face. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember, just hit that like button. You know, it's every day, bro. Anyways, I'm just following J Paul.
Let me see one at the
J Paul's. Shut up, Dominic. Okay, guys, I'm a J Paul fan. I call them Jake Paulers. I am he. Okay, and I know the low gang. There's some things going on between them. Alyssa Violet is cute too. Yeah. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and please, I'm begging you, turn on the notifications. Okay, guys, it's every day, bro. Peace. Remember, dab on them haters. Just dab on them. Oh, bye, bro.